Hey, this is Jeep's Rock. For those that are running a JK from a 2007 to a 2017, this upgrade will work just fine for you. You can see we've got our old stock tail lights. Again, these are not LED. They're old, they're outdated, and it's time to do an upgrade. So what we've got is we have these, and I'm sorry if I don't say it properly, I think they're called Jingos. They're an aftermarket tail light, and I'll have the description and also the brand for you at the bottom of this video. And we'll also be showing you that these actually have a 5-star rating right now on Amazon. So we're looking forward to putting these on, and you can tell just by very quickly that this is going to be a huge upgrade and a whole different look. They might look kind of familiar. They might look a little bit like maybe the new JL tail lights that you guys have been seeing around with the new vehicles, but from what I can see, at least on the pictures on the website, they look really bright. So we can't wait to put these on. But again, we're going to be taking these off. These are very simple to take off. These you don't even touch right here, but you will remove these 2 small screws, and everything I'm showing you today requires a Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. So you can either do this, or if you really want to get it done quick, I just got my little Black & Decker that I can just zoop, 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 and done. And then there's also going to be a little bit of hardware to put on here, but we'll show you that step by step with a clip. And then also, because these are LED, there's actually going to be this resistor here down here at the bottom that's going to help kind of almost trick the system into your Jeep to feeling that these are still the old stock tail lights. All right, we're going to go ahead and move into the actual lights themselves. There's our indicators on either side. It has a RH, and the other ones have LH on it. So this would be right hand, which is going to be your passenger side. And on this side here, we've already done one of these, and this is going to be the right hand side. But you're going to take this piece right here, and you're going to bolt it to this aluminum backing right here. You're going to use the hardware provided, which is just a very small screw and a nut on either side. And on the right hand, what we're going to be doing is we're only going to use one clip right here, and this clip is just going to slide right in, and it's going to be above the light once you get inside, and we'll show that a little bit closer when we're ready to install it. But we've already got this one done. That's how easy it is. There's not much to it. And again, all we're using is just our Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to do that here on the left as well, and we'll just show you step by step how we do it. Again, it's very simple to do. We're going to go ahead and get this one installed, so that all we have to do is just show you how the left one looks. We'll install it with 2 of these factory supplied screws, and that's just about it. Now that we have this one built, again, we're doing the right hand first. This piece right here is going to clip right here at the very top, and then we're just going to grab this factory plug-in right here and slide it in. So we'll go ahead and place this first into the factory harness. If I can do this with one hand. So you'll just hear it kind of a click. Just clicked. Again, we've already pre-built this harness. I know exactly where this is going to slide into. So I'm going to just take this, and I'm just going to slide it in right here. That way it doesn't go anywhere. And it's not, so it's nice and secure here at the top. And then we're just going to tuck in those wires. I'm going to grab my little lighting out of here. Light for the light. I'm going to tuck those wires in. I'm going to line it up. Just like so. I'm going to take my factory screw and put it in. Again, I'm going to try to speed this up, so I'll just use my little Black & Decker here. And the right hand is done. You're just going to take the small hardware that comes with it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Line up that other one in the back. Just kind of help it out a little bit. Again, it's really small pieces of hardware, but not too difficult. Just hold that in, tighten it up. Again, take that, put your clip right here. Do the same thing, you'll just slide it in into the existing hole. Tighten everything up with your last two factory pieces, and that's it. Everything else is extra if you want to keep it, but for what we did, we've run these before with LEDs and we just used one clip and it worked just fine. And what we'll do is we'll get those installed and we'll be glad to show you what it looks like when we're done. Stay tuned, and while you're waiting for us to get that finished, hit that subscribe button. Thanks again. Alright, we finished the install. Going to get rid of these old factory ones. Again, these were, you can even see it still has the bulb type in there, so it's time to get rid of those. Just do this to the side. The very last thing you got to do for this install is to just take off these. Listen for it. Oh, what a sound. And that's it. You're done. I hope you enjoyed this installation, and I also hope you enjoy those lights if you decide to pick them up. Thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock. We'll see you out on the trail, and thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button.